Hi, it's Ballsong here. Today we're going to make a quick dish of stir-fried zucchini with dry shrimp. So first you want to salt the dry shrimp in warm water. You'll need zucchini, salt, and white pepper. This is the quick dish that we make in 15 minutes, and it's a great addition to your lunch or to your dinner. Spices and the shrimp away. Actually, before I put this away, I'm going to go ahead and take this, take the shrimp away, dry shrimp away, and put it in a little plate. Get some paper towel. Kind of dry it up a little bit because you don't want, when you're cooking this, you don't want to have it like splash all over you with the oil. Don't throw this water away because there's some taste to it. So in case when we're stir frying the vegetable we need to add a water, we want to actually use this water right here. Now let's put this aside. Alright, so first we're gonna chop these up. Go ahead and cut this side right here, and straight from the middle. Okay, this part might need a little trim right here. I'm just gonna cut it in like pieces like this right here. And then just cut these up. And you're done. That's all the prepping that you need to do, and that's all we need to do with the chopping board and the knife. Now, we just have to go over and cook it. So, put these all in here, and let's do some stir fry. Happy to be here. So, now we're gonna have the zucchini and the dry shrimp, white pepper, and salt. Let me open this up so it'll be easier for me a little bit later. So I heated up the wok now, and I actually gonna put a little bit of oil into it. And now what I'm gonna do is put the dry shrimp in it. Turn it to a medium heat. I kind of want to stir fry the dry shrimp to get the smell and get a little crisp, and then actually take it back out and then put the zucchini in, because I don't want to leave it in for too long, as I don't want it to burn it. Go ahead. Put this back in here. Now we're going to add a little bit of oil. And now we're going to put our zucchini in. So now what you want to do at this time, you want to add a little bit of salt. Depends how salty you want your zucchini to be. And a little bit of white pepper. Stir fry it. This will take a little while. Something I didn't mention earlier, thing I've told everyone in my last video, I always like to use sesame oil. I'm gonna pour a little bit in there. And just stir fry it. Some people like to to make it go faster or cook it faster, I would like to add a little bit of water, but I tend to like to have my zucchini squash a little more dry. So I just add a little bit of the water that we use to cook the salty shrimp with. So right now I'm just going to stir fry a little more. It depends on how long you want to stir fry this. It depends on how you want the texture to be, because if you want it to be a softer texture, then you'll stir fry it for a little bit longer. But if you actually want just like kind of like a harder texture, then give it a little stir here. At this time, I would actually add the dry shrimp back into it. And now we'll mix it up. So I'm trying to eat a little bit more healthier, or not eat much so much spice. So usually you can add a little bit more chili oil to it too. So I'm just going to stir fry this with the shrimp, dry shrimp, and that's it. So I'm not going to do anything else. So all I add is chili oil. No, the chili. Sorry. All I add. So I'm thinking about the chili oil. All I add was sesame oil, salt, and white pepper. Basically, this is it. Now you just gotta put it back on a plate, and it's just an easy stir fry. Funny thing, I think I used the wrong recording feature earlier, but well, this is it. This is the stir fried zucchini with dry shrimp. Hopefully I can look back at other videos and I didn't actually record it incorrectly. As I say, I'm somewhat new to this, and hope you guys like it. Simple dish. You can cook it while you're working at home, quick lunchtime, turn around. Whole process, recording everything, it only took me like 15 minutes. So it's quite fast and tasty and healthy as well. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, like, and share, and follow my Instagram. And until next time, I'll see what I'll cook for my home cooking videos.